Hello, I'm Dr. Gwen Adshead, and I'm very pleased to have accepted an invitation from the Willingness Clinic to come and give a lecture next March, which I'm calling The Deluded Self, Pathological Narcissism, Psychopathology and Approaches to Treatment. I think narcissism is a complex concept which has attracted many theories and myths, and the aim of this one-day conference is to share published research, theoretical ideas, and my own clinical experience. During the day, we will explore narcissism as a complex concept in terms of its assessment and treatment, and I'll be drawing on clinical vignettes to describe what I want to explore. The objective of this day is that participants will become much more familiar with contemporary research on the development of pathological narcissism and options for therapy.